So let's give it up for our headliners this evening, Seagull-related fish fry!
We are Seagull-related fish fight. All we need to get started is a word.
Graph paper.
Graph paper. Thank you. Graph paper. Graph paper. Graph paper.
There is a mathematical compass jammed through a pad of graph paper.
The pencil on that compass, the tip is broken off right next to it.
On the top of the pad of graph paper are all band logos, but all from the 80s, like this Van Halen and AC/DC and stuff like that.
There's not a single circle on the pad, it's just squares and rectangles.
There's a piece of electrical tape around the side of the compass that has someone's initials in whiteout. It says LK.
In pencil it says never again.
Fine.
Come on, man, you just got us both kicked out of the band. Don't give me that attitude.
Don't act like it was my fault.
It was your fault.
Yeah, but don't have to act like it was my fault. I know it was my fault.
It's not acting, it is. It's the truth, it's not acting.
You're gonna thank me to get kicked out.
Gentlemen, I'll have to ask for your reeds, too. Cough 'em up. Cough 'em up. Thank you.
It's his fault.
Don't blame me.
It was your fault.
It was my fault. Fine, but you don't have to blame me. Thanks for having my back.
Do you have hidden reeds?
Right back at you.
Okay. Have a good year.
I'm sorry.
I could be marching right now. Donnie, you do this every time.
I don't do it every time.
Every time we get into an extracurricular, you get us both kicked out somehow.
Look, you don't want to be in band anyway. No one wants to be in band.
I want to be in an extracurricular with you. And whenever we try to hang out on our own, we just go nowhere. But then when we have something to focus on, that's where we really blow up. That's where we really do what we do.
I can't be tied down.
By,
You can't
by
fit me in a box.
Am I tying you down?
No, extracurricular activities. I gotta be free. I gotta do whatever I want, man. I can't just like stay and be told to march and make a letter. It's too constricting.
Okay, all right, okay. I admit I've been picking every single thing that we've done. All right, I know that.
I just.
What's in your head?
I don't know. Hanging out behind school, smoking.
Whoa, that's whoa.
Smoking club is awesome.
Radio said it's gonna be freezing rain in about a half hour.
Hey guys.
40% chance. Hey!
Get room for one more.
Did you pay your dues for smoking club?
Yeah, I signed up. I got my parents to sign a permission slip.
Hey boys, advisor check-in. Just making sure that's all tobacco, no weeds, right? Hand over your weeds.
Probably not.
Hand over your weeds. All right, boys.
I roll my own cigarettes.
I'm gonna want that back.
I guess I have to leave.
Do you want one of mine?
I'll see you guys later.
Smoking club won't be the same without you, man.
I just find it really impressive that you handle all the dues for the club.
Just three of us now.
I just find it like so impressive that you came up with the club name.
It's no big deal. It's just what we do and the word club after.
It's so impressive that you can stand for that length of time.
It's no big deal. I just leave all my weight on my feet. Sometimes I lean against the wall and put one foot against that.
We zoom in on the wall and we see that there is a dent into it.
Next to the dent in pencil, it says, "Fix this later, JB."
The dent is it's really concave, and in the middle there's like a dust brown spot.
Okay, everybody, I want answers. I want to know who left the mower in the yard. We have a strict shed policy, ladies and gentlemen. No kids of mine are gonna leave the mower out in the yard.
I heard it was Mom who did it. Did anyone ask Mom? Because Mom might have done it.
Mom's not here right now.
Mom's not here right now.
Maybe Mom
I was
could've
on
done
weed
it.
rocker duty.
Yeah.
Well, I know it wasn't me, because I always tell the truth.
Here's the thing, Dad. I haven't been allowed to work like moving machinery in a while, just simple machines.
Well, if you want to give up who did it, son, then there'll be a promotion in it for you.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, Lucy.
So, there was that time you did lie.
Lucy, you could be rich.
Well, you used to.
Oh, Lucy, you shouldn't have.
But there was that time that you lied, though. You said you never lied, but there was that time.
I'm remembering now. I'm remembering.
I'm actually remembering multiple.
looking up to me. I know who
There's the whole Santa Claus, Easter Bunny.
That's still perfect.
That was a problem for me.
We're losing control. We're losing control. Look, everybody lies sometimes.
That the movies don't actually serve popcorn, because they do. I've seen it.
What?
Dad!
It's unhealthy. They just pump liquid butter on it.
That sounds delicious.
And there was that other time that you said the candy on the floor isn't good, but it is good. It's good candy.
What? Dad!
I didn't want you to get dust in your mouth or an amoeba.
What if you actually told the truth? Do you really die
I
if you
tell you the truth every day, kids, that I care about you, that I love you.
How do we know those aren't lies?
You
Yeah, what are those lies?
You also said we were going to be taken if we didn't clean under our beds, and I haven't.
That was just so that you'd clean.
Is 3 scoops of ice cream really poison?
No!
Hey, so if we don't eat all our vegetables, Jason and the China are gonna starve?
Correct. Pretty much everything
Dad,
that I say is a lie.
Dad, did you leave the mower on the lawn? Because you're not supposed to. We have a strict
Yes,
shed
it was
policy.
me!
Have you seen the Carsons? They were out working on their yard, but now they're all huddled near the tree. I don't like it. I don't like them as neighbors. Ask them to move.
Don't look. Have you seen the Leroys? They're staring at us all day long.
Who is staring at us?
I don't know how much more chopping of this tree we can do, but I'm scared.
It looks good. The tree looks really
Listen,
good.
what's their problem? Oh, it's gross. Are they making a bonsai? Honestly,
Are they-
leave that oak alone.
No two people are this green. We have to move. We have to go somewhere, but they're tracking us.
No.
Honey, this new early Christmas present telescope is awesome. I see that neighbor. Looks like they're looking at that other neighbor.
Those Carsons are a bunch of peeking Toms.
Move the bush, we can move ourselves.
It's been 14 days we've been out here. They're still watching
What
us.
the hell are they doing to that tree?
Do they not urinate?
I'm glad we got
It's
that.
like a sin. I've never seen someone do that to a tree.
Get me a pad and a pen. I'm gonna start trying to read lips.
Oh, wait, I got one.
I can't feel my feet.
I can't feel my feet either, honey.
I mean, one of them's weeping.
Don't let him see you.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Don't let him see it.
I can't stand much longer.
Why must you keep us in this terror?
I think it has something to do with volleyball.
We zoom in on the lens of the telescope.
It says Canon 5000 series for stars.
Reflected in the lens is your picturesque Americana landscape with a white picket fence.
There's a tiny, almost imperceptible crack right down at about 7 o'clock.
Doctor?
It's happening again.
I'm sorry, Doctor? It's pipes, I'm sure.
Okay. Where's...
I just needed your signature here.
Oh, of course.
I mean, surely none of the animals have gotten loose, right? They're all accounted for.
All of them.
Oh, from this batch, at least.
So glad we got this property right near the zoo.
I know, it's worked out really wonderfully.
I know it's, lower housing costs, but I'm not worried about it.
I'm not worried either.
What's gonna happen?
Nothing ever to us.
I'm so glad I put that glass wall around our grill. Here's a burger.
Thank you.
I don't read lips. It seems like it said something.
I don't understand gorilla, so.
Stop. No.
Coco want burger?
Use your heart.
Coco hungry? Coco. I call help for broken husband. Sorry about your bird. Coco, down. Coco bad.
Hello, welcome to TGI Fridays. May I take you?
I'll have the spinach artichoke dip to start. I think we're gonna split that. What does Coco want? Coco want absinthe?
I just need to run and check with my manager about the specials real quick. You guys just hold here. Mark!
He's gonna check the specials. I don't think I'd have fish in this kind of place.
All right.
Sit down.
I just want to come over and make sure everything's okay. My name's Mark, I'm the manager.
Hi, Mark.
I notice you're Friday's Rewards Stripes member.
Yes, we are a Stripes member.
Mark, we'll be happy to take it.
Thank you.
Steve will be happy to take it.
You know what? I've decided I'm having a strawberry lemonade.
And for your... Okay.
What would you like to drink?
Okay.
OJ.
Orange juice.
We zoom in on the breadbasket on the table.
It's woven, real thin, beige.
There's a horrible, like, burned singe mark on part of it.
It has a cloth in it, and it's white with kind of blue striping all along it, and it's very, very tattered and old.
I got another order up. What's that?
Toss it in.
Toss it in the put it in the basket?
Put it in the basket.
You're gonna deliver it in the basket?
Yeah.
You're not gonna hold the plate.
You got a basket now.
Alright.
It's a new system. Don't worry.
You're gonna do basket for everything?
Yeah, we got a new basket for everything. Look at this, got a big old pile of baskets. Go put an order in each one of these baskets.
Yeah, alright. I was high when I got in.
So was I.
Order up.
Yeah, basket.
Are you always gonna get the baskets?
Well, I was
No.
close by, so I grabbed the basket.
I usually put the things on the window and then now I have to.
I don't know, honey. It's bad juju. Something's different.
Yelp said it would be charming.
La 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 la. Second course.
Those plastic baskets and wax paper.
Is this, are we hipsters now? Have we, is this a,
Don't just be cool. Hipsters don't talk about it.
are we young? Do they think we're young?
We must think we're young.
It's your hat.
La 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 la, aperitif.
Also in a basket.
What do you call that? An aperitif?
Yeah, I don't even know what that means.
Look in the basket.
Can Tisket or Tasket get you anything else today?
Just vinyl records?
Forget it.
Okay.
You blew it.
You know what I'm thinking. I'm 40, okay? This body didn't come with a manual.
Excuse me? Did you say you were 40?
No, she said she was a little shorty.
That's quite clear that you people don't know how to eat. In a restaurant of our particular
Honey, just
idiom.
pretend you're asleep. They're very passive. They'll go away.
Look, I haven't had to do this in a while, but you're going to have to. Hey, see, you don't understand. You don't belong here. You're not one of us.
Look out there. Every single table, all sleeping people. What's going on? I haven't moved a basket in hours.
I don't know. What are we serving? Sudafed? I can't figure it out.
We zoom in on the manager's hand, and you get a pinky ring on.
It's got a ruby in it and a gold band.
It's got initials, JBLK.
Just around the finger where the ring is, you can see that it's actually turning slightly green.
There's a little drop of what looks like fudge on the ring.
Hey,
Hi. What? What's
welcome to
up?
Homeowners Club.
No. Grab a freaking pamphlet. It's not gonna bite you.
You got a pamphlet? I don't need a pamphlet. You're
What
gonna tell me
happened
what's in
to?
the pamphlet.
What, you can't have your own pamphlet? I gotta have the pamphlet? I have to do all the work for us? What's the matter with you?
You got more stuff than just
Do you want me to not watch this?
No, I want you to watch this.
I don't want her to watch this.
Well, I want her to watch it. You
Okay,
need
fine,
to grab a
okay,
pamphlet.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Grab a fucking pamphlet!
Give me a pamphlet.
Sorry I had to see that, but I wanted you to.
Thank you.
I'm humiliated, but I'm kind of turned on.
I can see your relationship is strong. I'm glad you're looking into homeowning.
Homeownering is the next step.
Homeowning is the next step. Homeowning is the next step.
I already got a dog.
Oh, congratulations. Do you want me to watch this one too?
You have to call him a mutt.
I will.
That's derogatory.
No, it just means we don't know what kind of species he is.
I still call him a mutt. It's kind of like, you know, it's kind of making fun of him.
You two can buy old Fred, but I'm not telling you anything about him.
What kind of
This is a junkyard, it's not a rescue. He's been, eating cars for the last 8 years. I don't know how he's doing.
How old is he?
I don't know. Just look in his mouth. His teeth are all ground down. He's probably got another 8 months of eating.
I like him.
part pit bull?
I don't think so.
Nobody knows. He was in a trunk.
You say 8 cars?
Yeah, he ate cars.
Not the whole car, just bits and pieces over it.
Bits and pieces.
All right, that's different.
Mainly the interior.
What do you mean? I'm being specific, because you take things in generalities. You never see the specifics of things.
Specific.
No, you're not. You like to read cars. Nobody eats a car. You know, guys are little dogs. Look at them. You eat a fucking part of a car, like, you know, like a hubcap or a freaking mirror.
Honey, I just wanted to say, really appreciate you taking care of the family. Eating all those cars. My insides are torn up. But I did it for you. I did it for you and the whole litter. I don't say it enough, but I appreciate you. Okay? And I love you. I just hope that I don't get unexpectedly torn away from this family. That would devastate us. It would ruin everything.
Hey boy, I hope you're doing good. I might sell you this week. Want a couple of mini wheats? Work for 'em, boy. Work for 'em. They're over there. Oh, someone's gonna want to adopt you, buddy. You're a real champion. Oh, there's a burglar! There's a burglar! There's a burglar! Get him! There's a burglar! I was joking. I was joking. Here's a few more. There you go. Yeah, you can have the box.
Hi, I'm looking for a radiator for a 1992 Cutlass Supreme International Edition.
want a puppy?
Just really here for the radiator.
Look around. If you see it, you can buy it.
I just wanted to scratch his belly. I'm so sorry.
That guy didn't want to buy you. He was yellow. He didn't want an old timer like you who just rolls around.
Oh, a radiator.
Maybe he'll come back and I'll throw you in with the radiator.
Roar.
Oh, I missed it.
We zoom in on the little dog water bowl.
You see there's change in it.
I just wish my wish would come true.
I wish your wish would come true too, and I don't even know what it is, but I know it's a good wish, because you have a good heart.
Shooting star.
Did you wish?
4-leaf clovers. Slap, slap.
Horseshoes.
I think those came from a unicorn.
Rains down pennies and they all land heads up.
Well, that was my wish.
How about you?